Today in Standard 7th English, we are going to see the lesson Seeing Eyes and Helping Hands. In this lesson, we are going to discuss various means of sending invitations for an inaugural function in New Vision High School. This lesson gives us various examples of invitation which conveys that one can choose among the different means of communication according to need. First, let's understand the meaning of seeing eyes and helping hands. There are people who expect help from you. They need you, though they are not related to you. One must help others who are in need on humanity basis, as New Vision High School does. So let's see in the lesson. Everyone in New Vision High School was busy. The inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands was scheduled to take place next week. It was getting late for sending out the invitations. At last, the principal herself prepared the formal invitation. The art teacher and her student made copies of it. Srimati Vimla Naik is ex-principal of New Vision High School. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, is going to preside over the function. Time and venue is noted here. So let's read the formal invitation. We solicit your presence at the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands at the hands of Srimati Vimla Naik, former principal of New Vision High School and President, Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday 9th July 2070. Venue Assembly Hall, New Vision High School off Main Street, Girgaon. Suhasini Ambedkar, Principal, New Vision High School. V.S. Ajanke, Teacher in Charge, Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. Komal Shelar, Nitin Valke, Student Secretaries, Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. An invitation is a special form of requesting a person to attend an important personal or social function. Example, birthday party, marriage, inauguration function like exhibitions, etc. Generally, format of an invitation begins with the name of person whom we are sending the invitation, followed by the person who are being invited, that is the invitees. Information about the occasion means what is the program, the date, the time and the place of the function, and at the end the polite request to attend the function. Also, a notice was put up on the school notice board to invite the students and parents to the inaugural functions, where you will note Srimati Vimla Naik and Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, who are going to preside over the function. Now let's read the notice. Notice. Students of Standard 7 and their parents are invited to the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands at the hands of Srimati Vimla Naik, former principal of New Vision High School and President, Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday 9th July 2017. Venue Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. Oral invitation where Ajanke sir called the Girgaon Times, where the receptionist transferred the call to the news editor, where he introduced himself and invited the news editor for the inaugural function, where he will cover the news of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands, and school will get good publicity. So the editor made a note of it. So let's read in detail. Receptionist: Hello, Girgaon Times. Teacher: Good morning. I am Vishwas Ajanke from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your editor, Mr. Shashank, please? Receptionist: Just a second. Teacher: Thank you. News editor: Hello, Mr. Ajanke, Shashank speaking. How are you? Teacher: Fine. How are you? News editor: Fine. Teacher: Mr. Shashank, I have a request. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social project. The inauguration is on coming Sunday. We are sending you the official invitation today. News editor: I see. Teacher: Our idea is to make our student aware of their social responsibilities. It will be a big project, and we hope it will set a trend for all schools to follow. We would like your paper to cover the function prominently. News editor: Well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day, but as you say, the project is an important one. It should get good publicity. When did you say is the function? Teacher: This Sunday at 10 in the morning. News editor: Fine. I have made a note of it. Teacher: Thank you very much. A conversation is an informal take between two persons on any given topic of a common interest to both the person. Each person participating in conversation has his own identity, taste, views and opinion. Format of conversation where the name of the speaker is followed by a colon. Each piece of information is written separately, one below the other, as shown in the example. Conversation is written in the direct speech. The entire conversation should match with the tone and the nature of person and sure grammatical accuracy, correct spelling and appropriate punctuation. Another oral invitation is where Samir passed a message to his parents. He informed that Srimati Vimla Naik will attend the program, and Sir Ajanke said it is compulsory to attend the program. So let's hear it. Mummy, you and Daddy are invited to our school on Sunday, the 9th, said Samir. What's the occasion? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. There is a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. Students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. Where is it? In the school assembly hall. How long will it be? About an hour. Miss Nayak will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. I see. And what's the project about? Oh, we are all going to visit places and work for others turn by turn. They will explain that on Sunday. So, you are going to participate in it, aren't you? Yes, Mummy. Let's see, Daddy and I cannot both go, but one of us will accompany you. That would be nice because Mr. Ajanke has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. A note is a piece of brief information given by one person to another or to a group of person. It is done specially when the sender cannot communicate his or her message personally to the receiver. Format of a notice. Every note consists of the following parts. Date. It is written on the top right of the page. Address's name. It is placed on the top left of the page. Text of the note. The content matter of the note is written generally in one para. The subscription or a complimentary clause. Here, the name of the center is written at the bottom right of the page. No signature is required unless it is an official note.